Chicken Karahi. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious chicken karahi. Take a pan and add cut tomatoes in it. When tomatoes little bit soft, then grind well. Add oil in pan and added chicken also. Do chicken little bit fry. Now added tomatoes paste in it. Cooked it 15 minutes. Add some spice, red chili powder, salt, turmeric. Mixed well. Add yogurt. Ready for eat. Add green coriander. Delicious chicken karahi tayar. Now make it home and eat well. Thanks for watching.